대화 2.
여기가 기숙사예요. 이건 기숙사 열쇠예요.
감사합니다. 그런데 저게 뭐예요?
가족 사진이에요.
열쇠, 열쇠. 가족사진, 가족사진. 가방, 가방. 지갑, 지갑. 여권, 여권. 우산, 우산. 거울, 거울. 화장품, 화장품. 빛, 빛. 헤어드라이어, 헤어드라이어. 베개, 베개. 이불, 이불.
Lesson 7, Grammar 2. We're going to learn another verb expression. It's like 입니다, and this is another form of the verb to be, but it's less formal. We can use 입니다 and 입니까 in a formal situation, but this is what we use when we're speaking with our friends or people we know. And you can use this with any subject, like I, she, he, we, or they. You can use it to make most sentences that have the be verb in English. However, unlike the formal ending 입니다, which is always spelled the same, 이에요 and 예요 has two versions. The difference is how it sounds. It's phonetic. 이에요 is used with a noun that ends in a consonant sound. Can you think of a noun in Korean that ends in a consonant sound? Right, how about 학생? What does that mean? Student. So how can you say, I am a student, but less formal? Good, you can use this. 학생이에요. Got it? Now, 예요 is used with a verb that ends in a vowel. It's like the saying, opposites attract. Can you think of a noun in Korean that ends with a vowel? No, not yet? Well, we'll practice it later. When there's a consonant sound like 응, it makes a vowel sound with 이에요. But when there's a vowel sound like a, it matches with the y sound in 예요. Can you remember that? Anyway, remember, 이에요 is used with consonants, and 예요 is used with vowels. Good. Let's try it out with your name. So say your name, please. Okay, great. And my name is Mariah. So does your name end with a consonant sound or with a vowel sound? If your name ends with a consonant sound, add 이에요 to the end. If your name ends with a vowel sound, add 예요, like my name, 모라야예요. So, can you say it right? Give your name a try. In other words, 이에요 and 예요 is in accordance with to be in English. 이에요, 예요 is a sentence ending used for asking or stating about the identification of the sentence subject in an informal setting. 입니다 is used for formal settings. 이에요 is used while a noun ends in a consonant, and 예요 is used when a noun ends in a vowel. Ending in consonant, 이에요. 가방이에요. It's a bag. Ending in vowel, 예요. 베개예요. It's a pillow. Let's hear some more examples.
여기가 어디예요?
Where is here?
기숙사예요.
It is a dormitory. Got it? Okay, what's the noun in the question? 어디, good. And that means? Where, right. What was the subject? 여기가. You got it, great. So what's the answer? 기숙사. Does that end with a consonant or with a vowel? It's a vowel sound, so we add the ending 예요. Let's hear another conversation example.
어느 나라 사람이에요? 인도네시아 사람이에요.
Which country are you from? I am an Indonesian. Again, we ask the question, 사람. And the final sound is a consonant, so we added 이에요. Notice we can use 이에요 and 예요 in a statement or in a question. We don't have to change the form. And the answer, Indonesia 사람, is translated as Indonesian in Korean, in English. But it's good to go ahead and say 사람 when you speak Korean. So far you're doing great. How do you feel you're learning this? Do you feel confident yet? Keep trying. You're going to do very, very well.